Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to the channel. We got the ride today. We got the nice golf cart going. Golf cart gang, right?
Give me this.
Okay. Yeah, we're going to the beach.
Can I swear?
I don't give a shit.
Yeah.
Alright, well, I'm on vacation right now, guys.
One more day.
For one more day, I drove down to Florida. I brought Daphne. Yeah, in the golf cart. No, I brought Daphne down right over there. I took that thing on a ride and got screwed over because my GoPro keeps acting up. Wave high. Start her up. I'm gonna go forward first. What the heck? We're forward. Okay.
Nice.
I don't want to have a copyright. All right. Go backwards. Oh. Bump.
Oh my god.
Alrighty.
We die, we die.
If we die, we die. The brakes are
Bad?
very bad. So
Well, that's exciting.
gotta keep that in mind. This is fun. I can't see how fast I'm going.
Yeah, why does he have that?
Right?
fucking
Yeah, that's
thing?
stupid. These brakes suck.
Oh, I don't like the leading.
Yeah, me neither.
We're top heavy. I don't
I know. Well, I'm safe if we do crash because I got my helmet on.
I'm screwed. What are seatbelts gonna do for me on this thing?
That kid. Hey, bud.
The kid's looking at me.
Right?
Why the hell has he got a helmet on?
Safety. First impressions because you've totally never been here before.
A lot of palm trees.
A lot of palm trees, he says.
A lot of sun.
A lot of sun.
A lot of old people.
A lot of old people.
The occasional milk.
The occasional milk. And one more.
And the alligator.
And the alligators.
Name an animal with 3 letters in its name.
Alligator.
A lot of squeaking.
Yeah. A lot of
Making
squeaking.
me feel uneasy.
Me too, buddy. Me too. Oh, I'm sorry. I have everything under control.
Great. Dude, you motherfucker. You can't be doing that here.
Bump.
You're also going faster than you're supposed to.
I can't see the speed. I'm going as fast as this guy.
25, it's 15.
Oh, poopy. When I took the scooter here, I went in between the things.
That's illegal.
Sue me. Oh, bump.
Oh,
Wear a helmet, guys. Safety first on motorcycles and golf carts. Ah, I think I got in their Snapchat.
you can go right next to the parking thingy.
I want to go in the first row
Okay.
because I can't go down that second row.
Okay.
Not legally, at least.
Okay.
Yeah, no left turn.
Okay.
Okay. You can't hear a word I'm saying, can you?
Yeah.
Oh. Wait, yeah you can or yeah you can't?
Yeah.
Yeah. We're here!
We lived.
We got it.
That's what I'm
Let's go. You're driving home. Yeah, that was scary. Let's go. Alright. Well, I'm going to take you guys off my head now. Safety first. Okay. Oh. Anyways, put the key in the ignition.
Yeah.
Step 1. Forward.
Yep.
Reverse.
Okay. And then I have to go back.
So,
Right.
well, I put it in forward, so be careful.
Well, put it in back so I can go back.
What, you do it, because you're driving. Oh, God. And trying to think if there's anything else important. Roundabout. And watch out for the car in the roundabout.
The roundabout.
The roundabout. The roundabout. You could go. Okay, too late.
No, I can't.
Yes, you can. It's a roundabout. Roundabout.
Let me get used to this anyways. How this handles.
Fair.
Have you driven this before today?
I want to say I drove it last time we were down here. I can't remember though. Oh my god. Oh, that is scary, dude.
That's what I mean.
That is scary. Ah. So you're gonna want to make a right at the stop sign and go down the big causeway.
Yes, sir.
And stay away from that guy, because his shirt said "stay away."
Hell. That's a weird shirt to wear when you have a child with you.
Right. Stay away. Turn off your blinker.
Oh yeah.
There you go.
Auto turn off.
Nope. We're not that high budget over here. Well, anyways, guys, Chris is driving back. He's my brother, by the way. I don't think I mentioned that before.
Nah, just some guy.
Just some guy. Yeah, just some random dude. Oh my god. Bump. Oh yeah, so he's driving back. So I'm a little scared, and I'm happy I got the protection now of the good old helmet.
It doesn't feel bad when you're driving.
No.
It's when you're the passenger.
When you're the passenger, it feels scary.
Like the whole time, dude.
Slow, slow, slow. Oh. That was better. Are you wearing your seatbelt? Yes, you are. What a good citizen we got over here. Law-abiding citizen. Look at these guys on the scooters. Scooter gang, scooter gang. Let's go, scooter gang. Haha, he lied.
What?
He told me the top speed was 27. We hit 29. Let's go, baby.
Breaking records.
We breaking records. Uh-oh.
What?
Okay, no, we're good. Never mind. Just ignore me. Lovely weather we're having.
Battery? 35. Oh, shit.
Well, that's the thing. It said 8%. Well, yeah, guys, I know I mentioned that battery issue earlier, and I'm kind of pissed about it. I think I figured it out, though. I think it was some settings that I had with the GoPro, and I think I got it fixed now, but we'll see. But yeah, I would have had like 5 videos out between the last one and this one, but every single time something went wrong with the GoPro. I'm talking to the viewers, not you.
How am I supposed to know that?
That's why I'm telling you. Yeah, so I apologize for that, guys, but bear with me here. Should be back up and running now, so we're all good. Oh! To the left, to the left, to the left, to the left. Now straight, now straight, now straight, now straight. To the left, to the left, to the left, to the left. Hi, Daphne.
I'm assuming
Don't ask.
you didn't wear that because you felt danger.
I definitely did. Alright, well, that was a fun ride, everyone. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Short little video here, but that's gonna be it. Like and subscribe.